Let me now take you to the University of Hyderabad. You must have read and known about it in the past few days as we've been tracking how adjacent to the campus, there was this deforestation drive that appeared to happen. The Supreme Court has put a stay on it because there was a massive environment concerns as wildlife was being affected. Here's a report on that.
What once stood as a green heaven now battles for its survival. A Kancha Kachi Bauli forest, a sanctuary of rustling leaves and untamed life, is being stripped bare. Amid mounting concerns over large-scale deforestation on 400 acres of land adjacent to the University of Hyderabad campus, the Supreme Court of India has issued a strong directive to halt all trees felling in Kancha Kachi Bauli. This intervention marks a significant setback for the Telangana government. The Apex Court expressed alarm over reports that authorities took advantage of a long holiday weekend to accelerate tree cutting. But the battle rages beyond the course. The opposition BRS unleashed a fiery attack on the Congress-led state government, calling Chief Minister Revant Reddy a mere broker of land and warning investors of his ways.
The Supreme Court's directive, the Green Bench of Supreme Court taking a strong stand is of course welcome. But this government of Congress in Telangana is acting like it's above High Court and Supreme Court, which is a travesty of justice. I hope at least now, Congress is a party which is full of jokers and led by Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the same gentleman who said Hyderabad Central University में आपको जब भी कोई आपदा है मैं आ जाऊंगा, कहाँ पे आप?
Mr. Revant Reddy is trying to grab that and then convert that into a real estate project by destroying the entire, plowing the entire land, leveling the entire land. Not IT Park, you want to sell that to real estate infrastructure companies or what, we don't know.
The Congress hit back at BRS, claiming the land had historically been designated for commercial purposes.
We haven't acquired or we haven't forcefully taken 1 inch of Hyderabad Central University land. There are lots of issues which they are trying to attribute to our government. Over a long period of legal struggle, the government, with its commitment, has won the case in Supreme Court in favor of government as its revenue land.
Meanwhile, students of Hyderabad University launched a hunger strike in defiance to protect the green cover. As the battle between development and conservation intensifies, the Telangana government has now constituted a committee with group of ministers to resolve the issue. With Abdul Bashir from Hyderabad, Bureau Report, India Today.